This is the Shining Star block. It's 12 inches finished. Here is the diagram. And here are the patches we're going to cut. Some half square triangles, some quarter square triangles, and 2 different sizes of squares. This block has a square and a square unit in the center, and it has 4 flying geese around that. And then we just have a border of triangles in the corners and on the sides. The alternative method for cutting these half square triangles would be to make your flying geese 4 at a time. And I'll have that on here on your copy. And here are the units you're going to make. Here's the square and a square, the flying geese, and here's the border, and here are the half square triangles. Here are the pieces I've cut. These are for the half square triangles, these 3. These are for the border units and the flying geese. And here are the squares, the center square and then the corner squares of the star. Now I'm going to piece all these units. All the units are pieced, the square and a square, flying geese, the borders, the half square triangles, and the little squares are ready. I'll just put this together on the board. Now it's ready to piece. Thanks for watching.